Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about Stream. Before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe this channel, and if you find this video helpful, then like this video. Now let's talk about Stream. So what is Stream? Stream in a Snowflake provide a change data capture, which is CDC mechanism by maintaining a record of change, insert, update or delete, which is DML, to a table. This allow you to capture and process only the change rather than the entire table, which can be much more efficient for data processing task. For example, so let's say this is source and this is data warehouse. So we want to extract this data from the source, for example this one, and also write it then here into data warehouse. We are doing this also via delta load. What is delta load? That means if we have additional row, some changes in our data source, for example in this data source we want to load this data source into data warehouse using stream or ETL, then some changes in our data source. So for example we have 3 more record, then we want to only load these 3 record. For example, next slide, this is data source, this is for 3 more record and we want to load only these 3 records. Okay, then also append them here to the this table. Okay, this one, or maybe have some row that deleted or some row that are updated. So therefore we want to capture what has changed in our source table and then also update or make the changes here in the target table. For example, this one is target table in our data warehouse. So this is usage of stream. Now let's go into a Snowflake, learn by practice or learn by doing. This is my Snowside web UI, or here I am using free trial Snowflake account. Now let us demonstrate stream objects. So first creating database for our demonstration. Here streamdb is created. Streamdb is successfully created. Now let's create table for demonstration. Here I am creating customer table with this structure: customer ID, customer name, email and phone number. So let's execute. Table is created. Let's insert sample data into customer table. 3 record inserted. Now let's create order row staging, which is source table. Here is source table created. Also insert sample data into order row staging table with I am creating with order ID, customer ID, order date, status and total amount, and 3 record inserted into this table. So this customer ID join with customer table with customer ID. Okay, so now let's create target table, which is order final table with this structure. Now let's insert sample data from source table into target table, which is order final table. Here I am using insert into this is order final table using select order ID, order date, status, total amount, customer name, email and phone number, which we apply here structure. Okay, all these row right here, and from order underscore row underscore staging, this is joined with customer table for our customer name, email and phone number, and this other column coming from this table. Okay, so let's insert. You can see here 3 record inserted into order final table. Okay, you can see by using this statement. Okay, you can see here 3 record inserted successfully. And now let's create stream. Here I am creating stream. Syntax is simple: create or replace. Right here stream, then stream name, which is order underscore stream on table which is this is source table, order underscore row underscore staging, this is source table. So I am creating stream on top of this table. So let's execute again. You can see here the stream order underscore stream successfully created. Let's see using show stream command. You can see here stream name order underscore stream. This is database, this is schema, and the role ID is admin. This is table name. Okay, base table is this, order underscore row underscore staging, and type is delta, and mode is default. There is another mode which is append only, we'll learn later. So let's describe also this system. You can see here same information as we saw using show command. So let's see, select star from order underscore stream which we create here. So there is nothing record in this table, and this is other three column rather than this order table. This all column here to here coming from this order row staging table, and this is the metadata of stream. Okay, so now let's insert some record into source table which is order row staging table, and these changes capture by stream. So let's see here, two record inserted into order row staging table which is create stream on this table. So stream should capture these two changes. So let's execute stream now. So if I execute this stream, you can see here this stream capture all changes happen in this source table order stream order row staging table. So you can see here metadata action is insert and is update is false. So this is insert as statement, so this is action is insert and is update is false, and this is the row id number. Now we want to insert these two changes into final table. Here is 3 record. Now let's insert using this stream object or stream table, and we join with customer for to capture customer name, email, and phone number joining with stream table. Here joining condition customer id from stream and customer id from customer table. So you know how to join table, and two record inserted into final table using stream. Okay, so if I execute this statement, you can see here 303 and 304 inserted into final table, and if I execute stream table, then you can see here there is nothing record because by inserting into final table this stream is consumed. Okay, so it's automatically null. Now this is insert statement. Now let's learn update statement. So here is, if I execute row table, then you can see here 301 is pending. Now we want this status into delivered. So if I execute this statement, here one row updated. Now this update statement captured by stream. So if I execute this statement, you can see here the pending, this is deleted and action is true. Each update is true, and after that, after delete, action is first delete and then insert new statement which is new is delivered. So insert is here, action is insert and each update is true. So using this information we update into final table. Here is the condition, merge into this is target table order final table, and using order stream alias name s, and we apply condition f dot order id equal to s dot order id. When this is matched, then we apply condition here metadata action equal to insert and metadata is update equal to true, means this one. Then we want to update order date equal to s dot order date, and we want to apply here condition also status equal to s dot status and f dot total amount equal to s dot total amounts. So if I execute this statement, you can see here number of row updated is 1. So if I execute this final table, you can see here this is delivered now. Okay, status. And if I execute this statement, you can see the stream object is now empty. Now let's see delete statement. So in row table we want to delete 305. If I execute this statement, we want to delete this order ID 305. So if I execute this statement, this is also DML statement, so it's should be captured by stream object. So if I execute this statement order underscore stream, then metadata action is delete and is update. This is not updated statement, so this is false, and this is row ID. Now we want to update also in final table. So this is the statement for deleting statement. Merge into order final table. This is target table using order stream. This is alias name s and f dot order id equal to s dot order id when this condition is match, and here applying condition metadata action equal to delete and metadata is update equal to false, then we want to delete this condition. So one row deleted into this target table final table. Okay, so if I execute this final table, you can see here there is nothing 305 order id. Okay, and also stream is consumed by this statement. Okay, I will put these code into description box. You can copy from there and do practice. Now let's process all update, insert, delete simultaneously into row staging table. So this is the condition for apply all condition order final table, and this is the using this condition order stream and customer table, and we sm dot star means we take all column from stream table and customer name, email and phone number from customer table, and this is the condition for delete when this is matched order id f dot order id equal to s dot order id, and we apply condition metadata action equal to delete and is update equal to false. This is delete condition we learned also previously, and this is update condition action equal to metadata action equal to true and is update equal to true, then update this column. Okay, and this is not match metadata action equal to insert and metadata is update equal to false, then when this is not match, then we want to insert. Okay, so let's do some changes into staging table. So we one row inserted into a staging table, we also update in a staging table. All changes should be captured by stream, and we also delete in a staging table. So all should be captured into stream. So let's see stream. You can see here delete, insert or update capture by stream. Okay, now let's execute this statement. You can see here one row inserted, one row updated and one row deleted. All these operations occur in final table. Okay, so this is the statement for all update, insert and delete. Okay, if I execute this statement, this should be empty and all these operation capture by stream and update into final table. Okay, and there is another types of stream is append only, which capture only insert statement. So if I execute this statement create stream for this is default operation, and this is append only which capture insert statement. We syntax is only append only equal to true. If I write here, then this capture only insert statement. So if I execute this statement, you can see the append only statement, you can see the mode is append only. Okay, so if I execute this statement into staging table, this three statement is inserted into staging table, and this should be captured by this append only statement. Okay, and if I delete any statement from delete any row, then this is not captured in append only but captured in default staging table. So if I execute this statement, here is only 3 records. This is not captured by append only statement. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.